welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to be doing a quick tidy up. My house is not too bad, thankfully. I've been really good at keeping up with it, but I do want to give you guys a little bit of motivation, and I also have something really cool to share with you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in, then please continue on watching. So I decided that I would go ahead and start a load of laundry. I thankfully didn't have too much to do as far as laundry goes, but I did need to wash some of the towels. So I decided to go ahead and start with that so I can continue on getting everything else all tidied up.
That I could be one of the girls that has it together always. I wish I wasn't afraid of the world. Been hiding in my bed for days. I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna feel what I'm feeling, just wanna lay low. But baby, you made me heal it. Am I enough for you? Don't want.
Okay guys, so I am excited because I received the package. A company called Saker, I believe that's how you say it, was kind enough to send me a mini 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, and so I figured I would unbox this with you guys and try it out and see how this works. So here is the box. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. It says multifunction, strong suction suction power, and abundant accessories. So I'm gonna open this and let's take a look. So first thing, sorry guys, they are mowing the lawn and it's loud, so if you hear that in the background, I'm so sorry. But I can already see that once you open it, there is this pouch where you can store away all of the pieces and the vacuum. I think that is really convenient because, you know, always need a place to store these things. So I love that it came with that. Right, let's see. And of course it comes with a cord to charge the vacuum cleaner. Let's take this out of this little plastic bag. And so it looks like it has a lot of attachments. So this, I believe when I read it, was a floor attachment, but you can use it for sofas, mats, things like that, the floor. And then they have the cute little brush attachments as well. they have different attachments for different things, for different uses. I know that some of this is also to inflate things like a balloon, a life jacket, things of those of that nature. So I think that's pretty cool. And then if you need to get into like the keyboard and tight areas, there's different attachments for those. So that's pretty cool. And I see that it comes with a filter, which that's very handy. And of course, I'm gonna put that aside. We have the mini vacuum, and it's very portable. Obviously, it's wireless, so that's good. You don't have to put any batteries in it. There's the power button, and I know I read that you can detach. Oh, there we go. You can detach this, so you can put in your attachments, or you can leave this on. You can leave this on and attach, put attachments here as well. So, and that's where you would charge it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's turn this on. I think you could, I'm pretty sure you can change the speed on this. Oh. So you have to hold onto it for 3 seconds. 3 seconds again. There we go. Oh, it's pretty strong. And then you turn it off. So I'm excited to try this. The couch has been needing a good cleaning, so I'm gonna use this to clean under the cushions, because you know you get crumbs under there. I think this is really convenient for that. And then I want to also test it out like with the balloon and seeing how that works. So let's check it out.
I wish that I could be one of the girls that has it together always. I wish I wasn't afraid of the world. Been hiding in my bed for days. I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna feel what I'm feeling, just wanna lay low. But baby, you made me healing it. Am I enough for you? Don't wanna let you down. You got a lot to lose, but choose to stick around. Yeah, there's way so much still can't bring, but I know you're there to help me. Hold me up when I feel unsteady. I know you love me still when life gets.
Okay, so I thought it was pretty good. It took up most of the crumbs that were underneath the cushions. So I definitely do recommend. I do have like a lot of cat hair, so it doesn't really pick that up as much. But if you're doing like, you know, if you just want to like get some crumbs off of the table or even dust or anything like that, this is definitely good for that. Cat hair and dog hair is kind of hard to take off regardless. So I mean, for a little mini vacuum, I think it's definitely worth it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the test and see how it works with inflating a balloon. So I've read the instructions, and I do have to empty this out, so let me go do that real quick. Okay, so I emptied out the nastiness that was in there from vacuuming. So all you have to do is just twist it, see, and then you'd use the attachment. Oh yeah, use the attachment. You use it on the other side. So there it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the balloon in here. Oh, that was pretty cool. I'm like a big hit, I swear. But that was pretty cool. Saves time from blowing any balloons. I think it's pretty neat. And like I said, you could use it for the keyboard. You know, like little cracks that you can't get into. There's different pieces that you can use to for different uses. And yeah, see, perfect. So yeah, I definitely recommend. I'll have the link in my description box. So this if this is something that you guys want to purchase for yourself, you definitely can. You can get this through Amazon. But yeah, I'm in love with it. I think it's very useful. And thank you, Saker, for sending this over to me. I really enjoyed trying this out. So I've been using this Lysol spray to wipe down the counters and the tables, and previous to that I was using a Mr. Clean spray. I forget the name of it, but I tried this Lysol just to see how it would work. I've been going back and forth with sprays just to see, you know, what would work best for me. This one I do know can help with taking away any bacteria or germs from the counters, which is really cool. The smell isn't all that great, and then when I inhale this, it makes me cough sometimes. So I don't know, I'm still on the fence about this one, but let me know what you guys like to use as far as you know, sprays for all-purpose cleaners. I definitely would love to know what you guys recommend. actually purchased this wax melt. It smells just like a real pine tree. I got it from Walmart at an affordable price, so you guys should definitely check this out. It's a really good scent for the holidays, and I absolutely love the smell of pine trees. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know because I think it smells so good, and you guys should definitely go ahead and pick this up.
You brought me something that I've never known, comfort that I've never had. Am I enough for you? Don't wanna let you down. You got a lot to lose.
Okay guys, so that is all I have for today. It really was just a quick tidy up. Like I said, there wasn't really much that I needed to do today. Thankfully, I've been on top of everything, but I hope either way it still gave you some type of cleaning motivation, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Know you love me still when life gets messy. Yeah, I know.